Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Face ID and passcode not showing in settings. For example, if you go for settings in iPhone and you don't see Face ID and passcode, or Face ID and passcode option grayed out, or it doesn't allow you to change Face ID and passcode. So how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. For this, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your internet connection can be restarted. Moreover, you can also check for your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to click on settings, and after that you have to go for screen time. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on content and privacy restrictions. So here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of passcode. So here you can simply find the passcode changes. So here you have to make sure that it is click on allow. So if you click on allow, then it will automatically allow you to change passcode, or so it will not do any kind of problem. So if you have already allowed from that here, then what you have to do, you have to simply check whether your iPhone is updated to latest version or not. For this, you have to go to software update, and after that you have to simply wait for some time so that you can check your iPhone is up to date. And in this way you can simply solve the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Safari, and in Safari you can search for Apple support, and you can simply ask the same question on Safari so that they can be solved for you, because there are many problem solutions are available on Safari. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.